Yeah, welcome to Educonta's School Timely Report Card Management template. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the template to output students' report card automatically. So let's see how it works out. These two columns, the CA column, which is 40%, and exam column 60%, these two columns are the only columns you can input data into. The rest are locked up. So let's input student score here. Let's put 33 there and input 45 here, and click any empty space, and it's 78, and that's giving you the position of that subject in that class. It has given you remarks as very good and grade B2. So it's working perfectly. So let's see what we have there. We have 33 and 45 there, 78. Let's see what happens at the report card page. Here is there, 33, 45, 78. And third position, very good, and B2. That is, it's working perfectly. Let's look at another, let's input another score. Let's go back to the broadsheet. Now let's input 25 here. 25. And input 33 here. Click on any empty space. That's giving you 58, which is fourth position in that subject, fair for remarks, and grade C6. Let's see what we have there. We have 25 here and 33. Let's see what we have at the report card page. Yes, it's there, 25, 33, and 58. So it's working perfectly. So let's see, let's input another score, student score. Let's go back to the broadsheet. Let's input 15 here and 45 here for the exam. Click on any empty space. That's giving you 60, and the position 4th, remarks is good, and the grade is C6. You can see that the software is working perfectly. So let's go back to the report card. It's there, 15, 45, total 60, and the remarks good, and the grading C6. So you can see it's working perfectly. So if you find this tutorial useful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.